Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today's video is all about a truly exciting upgrade in the drone world. We're diving deep into the cutting-edge RC Pro 2 remote controller and the next-level O4 Plus transmission system designed for the brand-new Mavic 4 Pro. Whether you're a drone filmmaker, an aerial photography enthusiast, or just fascinated by how far tech has come, this is something you don't want to miss. Reimagining Control, RC Pro 2. Breakdown. Let's start with the RC Pro 2, the newest smart controller redefining what drone piloting feels like. One of the standout features is its 7-inch mini LED display, which boasts an astonishing 2000 nits peak brightness and consistent 1600 nits of sustained brightness. What does that mean? It stays clear and readable, even under direct sunlight. The 1000:1000.1 contrast ratio and 10-bit color support ensure vibrant, true-to-life visuals. Covering 98% of the DCI P3 color gamut, this display gives creators HDR-level monitoring, perfect for formats like D-Log, D-Log-M, and HLG tactile control. Smart Adjustments A feature that truly stands out for filmmakers is the addition of a physical control wheel. You can now change your ISO, shutter speed, or aperture instantly without fumbling through digital menus. It's a practical improvement that serious content creators will appreciate. The controller also introduces foldable joysticks, a small, yet incredibly useful change. Just flip them open and the device powers up. Done flying, fold them back and the controller shuts down. No more screwing or unscrewing sticks. Effortless vertical content. Capture creating social media content? You're covered. The RC Pro 2's screen can rotate vertically, syncing seamlessly with the drone's gimbal for vertical video. No need to adjust any settings manually. Just rotate the display and start shooting vertical footage instantly for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Audio and connectivity enhancements. In terms of audio, the built-in mic is a welcome touch for capturing voiceovers on the go, and if you need pro-level audio, it supports the DJI mic system as well. There's also an HDMI output on board, ideal for connecting to external monitors or streaming setups. Power and memory. Where it counts, the RC Pro 2 packs in up to 4 hours of battery life, making it suitable for long flights without needing constant recharging. It also includes 128 GB of internal storage, which means you've got plenty of room for high-resolution video caching or essential files during shoots. Wide compatibility. Big value. While it's built with the Mavic 4 Pro in mind, the RC Pro 2 is also compatible with multiple DJI drones, including the Air 3, Air 3S, and Mini 4 Pro. That makes it a valuable tool if you own more than one drone. No need to juggle multiple controllers. And yes, it fully supports the brand new O4 Plus transmission system, which we'll talk about next. O4 Plus transmission, the heart of stable flight. The new O4 Plus transmission system is a serious upgrade. With this tech, the drone can maintain a rock-solid signal for up to 30 kilometers under FCC conditions. Even in crowded urban environments, it holds strong, with a typical range between 1.5 to 6 kilometers. Flying in coastal or suburban areas. You can expect solid performance over distances as long as 15 to 30 kilometer latency. It's impressively low, just 130 meters, giving you real-time responsiveness during flight. Connectivity, speed, and coverage. Like never before, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 downloading. Footage is faster than ever. You'll see speeds of up to 10 Mbps directly over the O4 Plus connection and an even more impressive 80 Mbps via Wi-Fi. Signal coverage is enhanced by a 6-antenna array in a 2T4R configuration, providing robust stability. Whether navigating interference-heavy environments or maintaining a strong link through trees and buildings, this setup ensures minimal dropouts and maximum control. Why this combo is a must-have with the RC Pro 2 and O4 Plus system, DJI has once again raised the bar for what's possible with drone tech. From professional-grade visuals to ultra-reliable connectivity, this combo is ideal for serious creators and passionate hobbyists alike. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want more insights into the future of drone technology, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Technology in the Future, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. There's a lot more cutting-edge tech coming your way.